To fix the Splitwise app not working, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to function properly. Ensure your device is connected to a working network and try restarting the app. Next, check for updates in the App Store, as an outdated version may cause issues. Update the app to the latest version and try using it again. If the problem persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can be done by going to your device's settings, selecting the Splitwise app, and choosing the Clear Cache and Clear Data options. Another step is to check for any conflicts with other apps. Try closing all other apps and then opening the Splitwise app to see if it works. If the issue is still not resolved, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Additionally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for the app. If your device is not compatible, consider using a different device or updating your operating system. It is also a good idea to check the Splitwise website for any known issues or maintenance notifications that may be affecting the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Splitwise app not working and get back to using it to manage your expenses and split bills with friends and family. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date to avoid any potential issues and ensure a smooth user experience.